Oh no, he crashed. Is train still going? Train still going?
I'm blowing smoke out.
You're blowing smoke out. I'm glad you're using your mouth.
Okay.
Here comes
Chocolate.
one more round. Then I'll take Mr. Oh, okay. You set Mr. Poos down again. Here comes train. Whatever you want. Here it comes. Now watch your brother. He's down here. What are you doing, Poos? There it goes. Goes the train again. What do you think, Bruce? What do you want? Biscuit Boo? Do you want a Biscuit Boo? Do you want a Biscuit Boo? Do you want a Biscuit Boo? Do you think she wants a Biscuit Boo? Do you think she wants a Biscuit Boo, Mr. Pooh's number twos? Do you want a Biscuit Boo, Florence? Florence, do you want a Biscuit Boo? Is that a yes? Think we better get her one? What do you think, Bruce? Should we get her one? What do you think? Here comes the train. Will the train bring her one? I don't think the train's going to bring her one. Oh no, she's still going. Tail's going. Alright, we better go get her. Let's go get her an ice cream. I mean ice cream. A Biscuit Boo. Bruce, can you wave for me? Wave. Wave. Give me a wave. Can you give me a wave? Give me a wave. Give me a wave. Thank you very much.